Well, that hill's some nasty business. It's kind of soft right now, isn't it?
Yeah. Radiator got stuck trying to go up it.
Did it?
I was just overheating and I pulled over. This is up 240.
Coming up that hill?
Yeah, he's like, oh, just keep going. Instead of 4 low.
That'll do it.
Didn't work out for him.
So I saw Bonito. What's left of Bonito?
Yeah. That was, we had no business on that trail.
Yeah.
And the ironic thing, last year, the blue Jeep didn't have doors, didn't have a soft top. It was bare, roll cage with the sunscreen. Wouldn't have had an issue with body damage at all if we ran that trail like that.
Yeah.
But we got 3 banged up doors and a ripped up soft top.
Tie rod.
Tie rod popped.
Black Jeep.
So I've concluded that the tie rod ends are replaced maintenance items that when you go and do the Rubicon and then Pritchett Canyon and you're beating the shit out of your tie rod and you know you are,
okay,
change the end caps.
There you go, boys and girls.
Yeah.
All right, we're hiking in the trail. Yeah. That's Big Tom right there. Tom K.
Already did this once today.
He did this once today. It's one of those deals where 3 go in, 1 comes out.
These were killing me earlier.
Just to give you an idea of what Little Miss Sunshine is all about. He doesn't like that one as much when I send it to him as he does other ones.
Yeah. It's too close to home?
I think so.
We'll see. All right, that came out quick.
That's another spacer.
Yeah, okay, for the
Ram. All right.
Yeah, this is gonna be fun.
To turn the tire.
Cool.
Can someone get in the Jeep, start it up, and turn passenger? I think the tire is in an actual usable spot.
So we're gonna try to run it complete out or try to back out?
Back out. That's a long way.
The other thing, transfer case. That's why we're passenger, yeah. Back up just a hair, see what the... Watch out, we're backing up.
Or do we have a jack?
Might be able to turn passenger now.
Can you turn passenger?
No.
No?
Alright, don't force it. Let's get a jack.
Gonna need a jack.
I'm gonna try to back this thing out. It's gonna be fun for everybody watching, not for Pat. It's about half a YeeYee right there, isn't it? It's just a Yee.
Yee?
Yeah. All right, back on. So you're gonna try to back out, huh? You're going to back out, Pat.
We are gonna back out.
That's right.
Might need some help, but we're gonna back out.
We're gonna do it. We're gonna get her dead.
Hey, dog. Is this your,
Nice. It may turn out he wheels better in reverse.
Okay. Forward and left. Right there. That work? Hard passenger.
TSC, we can't turn, right?
Right.
So we hooked the winch on to drag his ass around at the same time that he's backing. So let's watch this. The CISO's in the kill zone. All right, so that was interesting. They had him put it in two-wheel drive, so the front wheels weren't driving. Unlocked the rear, got the rear wheels spinning, and the winch just slung the rear end around. I think these guys might have done this before. Actually, I've never seen anybody do that, so this is kind of interesting to me.
One of Pat's favorite things, though, is figuring out.
Oh, he loves to learn.
Yeah. Well, the recovery part, he's figuring out how to pull somebody the right way.
Hard driver. Holding him in place. Okay, forward, straight, or driver? Little driver, forward. Okay, hey. Oh. Yeah. I was afraid if he came down that rock, that's how he would be screwed. There's no way this on camera is gonna look as...
Never kept me. I mean, look, I'm looking at it. He can go as far as he wants.
He comes over that rock though. Okay. Straight back. Straight back, Pat. Straighten it out if you can. How tall are you?
5'9".
5'9", so look at that. It's cut you in half. That's at least a 4. So it's more than half. Don't make me do math right now.
3 feet, and then once you turn left.
YeeYee.